Welcome to AI and BI Hub channel. Here you can explore AI and BI concepts as well. In this video, you are going to explore about the Canva application. Seriously, till now, if you didn't heard this name, then this is the video you have to watch because this application has the many benefits for you. Even though if you are a student or employee or housewife or anyone, or for all the age groups, this application is going to useful. And already you know about this application and using for some purpose. By watching this video, you will get a chance to explore some benefits of it. And now into the content, go to Google, type Canva, and click on the Canva website. Log in with your existing Google credentials, and home pages look like this. See, and you can design whatever you want here. I'll tell. Before going to that, I would like to explain. I would like to brief Magic Studio. What is exactly it is like? You know the AI tools nowadays, text to image, text to video, background image remover, and all right. All those powerful AI tools already implemented in this Canva application, and you can use them while you are designing your object. What exactly you can do by using this Canva application is, if you click on the create a design, see, these are the things you can create. Like a resume you can create, Instagram post, Facebook post, YouTube thumbnails, and mobile videos you can create, stories, flyers, and business cards, whatnot. These many things you can design by using this Canva application. First of all, I'll tell you the resume. Just click on the resume and a new window will come, and this Canva people already giving you some templates, and you can use those for free without paying it. And just drag whatever you like. For example, here I like recent, yeah, the first one. I'm clicking the first one. Yeah, this is the resume. I just want to modify, update. Okay, what you need to do is just update the content here for your profile and update the work experience, update the reference, contact numbers, education, skills, languages, and everything. That's all, and your resume will be ready, and you can download for free and you can use it. Nowadays, seriously, so many members are creating the resumes by using the Canva application, and that is getting shortlisted because at a glance, if HR see this resume, they can understand all in a one page, like the profile, experience, education details, skills, everything is in one set, right? So that's the reason this is the perfect, and this is the first benefit by using this Canva application. And the next one is you can create the YouTube thumbnails also by using this Canva application. And especially I'm using this application for my YouTube thumbnails. Here, for example, just imagine you are running a cooking YouTube channel, for example, or else just you want a cooking thumbnail. That's it. So just type cooking YouTube thumbnail. That's it, and just hit enter. You will get so many templates. If you observe, if you see the icon, pro icon, that means you have to pay to use that particular template. Otherwise, without that icon, whatever the thumbnails are there, you can use freely. For example, here I am selecting this thumbnail. Just click it. And here you can replace this image with the image which you have of your dish, and as well as edit the text here regarding your dish and channel and whatever the content you want. That's it, and your YouTube thumbnail is ready just in 1 minute. And also you can create the thumbnail from the scratch level as well. And here I'm going to show the thumbnail which I have created for this YouTube video. And there is a frame, and see, these are the frames means nothing but desktop screen, laptop screen, or so many screens we have seen the videos and images, right? So for example, here I'm choosing the desktop screen here, and I'm placing one image into this desktop screen. Automatically that image getting fixed into the particular frame, and even you can place the video as well. It's look like video is playing on the desktop. And also you can change the color and click on the color here, and automatically Canva will give you the matching colors based on your object you have chosen, the image. See, yeah, and choose this one and provide the text here. Add a heading, Canva AI application, Another heading, don't miss to watch. Just for sample, I'm showing here. Yeah, that's it. So like this, you can create the thumbnails and give your text and all, and you can choose the effects, animation, and you can play with the formatting things and all, and you can design a beautiful thumbnails from scratch level like this. And here I would like to show one feature which is a magic switch, which I told you earlier. Here, just select one language. I'm choosing the, for example, Telugu language and translate. So what is happening is all total this thumbnail is converting into the Telugu language. See, open your thumbnail, Canva AI application, and this is the Telugu script. Yeah, so now we are translating the languages also in the thumbnails. This is one AI feature, which is in the Magic Studio earlier I told you, right? And next one I would like to show. For example, you have one image. Let me select one image here. Yeah, yeah, I'm choosing this image. And here, just imagine, for example, I need one duck floating in the water in this area, for example. For this, you can edit this image. What we have to do is just click on the edit image option. Yeah, magic edit. And here, just describe what do you want exactly, duck. And choose the area where the duck should float. Yeah, that's all. And then generate. Just wait for a moment. See, we got the duck pic here and duck look like it's floating in the water, right? And four images it got generated, and we can choose whatever we like. So like this, we can do the edit images, translating the languages, and such AI features. As I told you earlier from the Magic Studio, those AI features also we can use this in application to design the objects very effectively. Once it will get ready, and you can download your thumbnail here by just clicking on the download button. Yeah. And the next one, if you want to convey the beautiful birthday wishes, just type birthday wishes and click enter and choose the template whatever you like. For example, here I'm choosing this one and customize this template. Once it got loaded, and just replace this pic with the whom the birthday. Here I'm uploading for sample pic. That's it. And your birthday wishes card is ready, and you can download and you can use it. And same like this, even you can create the wedding cards as well. So instead of visiting the studio to prepare the wedding invitation cards and all, here by using this application, you can generate wedding invitation card. For example, I'm choosing the first option, wedding card. Yeah, this one. I'm clicking here, customize this template. That's all. Your card is getting ready. All you have to do is just edit the text, whatever um, you want to, the date and the place, everything, and you can download and you can share this wedding invitation. It's just getting ready just in 1 minute. How simple it is, right? And not only this one, and again you can create a 5 seconds mobile video also. And I'll tell you here, just click on the mobile video, and yeah, from right side, left side, whatever the templates you are getting, just choose whatever you like. Yeah, this one, this is just this is not an image, this is not a video, this is just an animation of 5 seconds, that's it. And happy anniversary wishes, that's all. And here you can replace these pictures with your pics. For example, here I'm doing how it will be like. Yeah, see, I'm replacing. So like this beautiful just 5 seconds animation video also you can design by using this application. See, and just play it, 5 seconds animation video is ready. And now you can download and you can share to your friends or anyone, like whatever. And the next one is business card. Yes, you can create the business cards also by using this application very quickly. And same way, like just select the template whatever you like from the left side. And for example, I'm choosing this one. Yes. And yeah, and now update the content with your business name, contact details, email ID, everything, and you can download. Yeah, that's all. Your business card will be ready within a seconds. That's it. Yeah, download here. And the next one is logo. Yes, you can create the logos also by using this Canva application. Logo means, like for brand promote or for your self purpose, whatever you want the purpose. So even again, you can choose the template from the left side. And for example, I'm choosing this one. And yeah, so all you need to do is like this is something R letter, right? So here you can replace the letters, whatever the desired you want. And yeah, see how beautiful logos are there. And you can customize these logos. And you can download and you can use and you can design the logos also by using this Canva application very well. And the next one is presentations. And just click on the presentations, and you will get the beautiful slides as a templates here, and choose the template which you want. And you can create your slides, just edit the content and number of slides also you can add, and you can download this presentation and you can use it. And next one is document. Yes, documents also you can customize and you can utilize for documentation purpose also. See whatever you like and you can design it. And the next one is flyer. Yeah, what exactly flyer is like? It's a single paper, and you can advertise here your idea, product, or event, or anything by using these flyers, right? So for example, from these templates you can choose whatever you like. For example, you want to announce like we are hiring in a flyer, and you can update the details here. We are hiring template, beautiful template is ready for you, and update the information, and you can download and you can utilize easily, even the flyers also. So, what exactly these content is like? If you see every content, for example, video, Facebook post, or Instagram resume, every content has its own dimensions. So, Facebook post has this dimension, and Instagram post has this dimension. So, whatever the exact dimension has set to for that container, so this Canva is giving you the content based on that dimension only. And the next one is whiteboard. Whiteboard is very useful for the students who are preparing for their projects or PPTs and everything. Whenever you want to design any flowchart diagrams, or whenever you want to explain some concepts and all, left side if you see, sometimes we need to prepare these diagrams, right? Rectangles, squares, and flowcharts we have to explain. By using this PPT, it will be difficult somehow, but here just simply select and update, and you can copy paste whatever it is, whatever your requirement will be, but it will makes you easy to prepare for the project and all, and develop your project and all. So like this you can utilize this whiteboard option as well. And not only this whiteboards and all, and you have one more option is a website. Yes, you can explore this one also to prepare to develop the websites by using this Canva application. So like this Canva application has the many benefits to you. As you've seen, you can create the resumes, YouTube thumbnails, social media posts, videos, and whatnot. Everything you can create by using this Canva application. And this Canva people already has given, if you know, like business point of view also. These are the use cases you can develop by using this Canva application. You can use for business purpose. For example, marketing, creative, sales, communication, and use cases also brand management, team collaboration. So these are the use cases, and as part of business point of view, you can utilize this Canva application very well. And coming to the education point of view, also for teachers, for for schools and students, even for project preparations, creation, developing websites and case studies for whatnot, everything you can utilize this application for education purpose also. Yeah, so like this, you have so many benefits by using this Canva application, and this is the one of the powerful application you should know. And this application not only available in this website, and this application you can download even from the mobile also. Just go to Play Store and type Canva. You can get the Canva app and just get it installed into your mobile. And the same way you can use how you are using it in the website. Whatever I have explained till now, the say all features available in the mobile also. Yeah, that's all, guys. And if you find this information very useful for you, and if you learn something which you don't know till now, then please do a like, share, and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching.